Huh? What? Shh. No, what's going on? Hold up. What's wrong, Dad? She's on the roof. What are you talking about? Get the gun, Carter.
No, I don't want to.
No, get the goddamn gun.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Daddy, what's going on?
Stay inside, sweetie.
Daddy.
Everything will be just fine.
Daddy, what?
Listen to me, you witch! I told you to leave me and my family alone!
Daddy, what are you
I told you
doing?
to stay inside, sweetheart. I got the gun. I don't know what to... I can't... Take the shot, Carter. I can't do it. I said take the shot, Carter! Give me that! Come on. Hold still, you... What? No. Come on!